Alright, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'm gonna be washing my car. And you guys are probably wondering, why are you filming this? It's because I don't really have anything to film right now. I don't really have anything to do to my car right now. And I'm saving up money for something else important. And I don't really wash my car often because I'm a lazy person. It takes too much time out of my day sometimes, and I don't want to spend 2-3 hours washing the car. And max I would spend is 30 minutes. So basically, as the title says, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to wash your car under 30 minutes in the most laziest way possible to get the best outcome that you can get out of washing your car. So yeah, let's get right in. Alright, so basically I'm going to show you guys what kind of products I use. So for the shampoo, I use turtle wax. The reason why I use this, there's no any reason for it. This one was on sale, so I bought it. Turns out to be really good. Way better than my wire ones, so I recommend this turtle wax one. It gets a very good shine, and it resists water really well, so I really recommend this one. I use this one, and I have 2 different sponges. I purchased both of them at Daiso. If you guys have Daiso nearby, they're both $1 each, so really good. The reason why I have 2 is because one is for the body, so I use this one for the body, and this one is for the wheels. So I separate these 2. So yeah, I have 2 sponges. And so this is the detailing spray I use. Someone gave me for my birthday or something like that. I forgot who it was, but this one's really good. It smells really good. This product is really good. I mean, I've never used other detailing spray before, so I can't really say, but this one has like a little ceramic coated type of deal. Not too sure, but it's really good. Love this product. And then 2 microfiber cloth, and then a bucket. So that's all I use to do a full wash of the entire car. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to washing the car. Alright, for the soap, I normally put around like this much. I don't know, it's really just kind of about that much. And then fill it up with water. So yeah, I put around this much water, and then now I'm going to spray down the whole entire car with water. Alright, now that I'm done using this sponge for the body, and then go from top to bottom. Because it's really sunny right now, I recommend doing it really fast. So yeah, I'm gonna do this quickly. Alright, now that I soaked the whole thing, I'm gonna spray down and rinse it off. So I want you guys to see like how good the water resistance on these shampoo. As you can see though, these things are really good. Like it just really, it does a job, you know? And I really didn't wash it that good, but it's good, it's there. So yeah. Alright, so now that I basically washed the whole car besides the wheels, I'm going to basically use the microfiber cloth and then get all the water out as much as possible. Whenever I'm wiping it down with the microfiber cloth, you want to flatten it and basically you want to glide it over. See? So this is something that people may not know. So basically that's what you're gonna do. So yeah, as you can see, it's already started drying up, so I have to do this fast, so I'm gonna skip it. Alright, so I got the majority of the water out, and now we're gonna move on to washing the rims. So for the rims, using the other sponge that I talked about earlier, and then basically washing all four, and then rinsing it off, and then wiping it down. So yeah, let's get right in. Alright, so now that I wiped it down, we're gonna move on to wiping the whole car with the detailing spray. So in this step, this is basically the last step to my car washing tips. And basically grab a new towel, and then you're gonna spray this from top to bottom, and then do the wheels at the end. So very simple, just spray it and then wipe it, and then basically you do the whole entire car. Alright, so this is the finished product.